Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 2, Build Accessory Package. Next, we'll adjust the battery plate position. Grab the battery and use it as a size reference. Loosen the set screws as needed to allow the plates to move freely. Adjust the battery plates along the rails until the battery fits properly within the straps. Once everything is aligned, remove each set screw one at a time, apply a small amount of thread locker, and reinstall. Then tighten all set screws securely to lock the plates in place. This same process applies to the payload rail set screws as well. If you've adjusted the rails, go ahead and remove each set screw one at a time, apply a small amount of thread locker, and reinstall. Then tighten them securely to lock everything in place. Go ahead and flip the Rome back over. Attach the remote ID antenna to the top of the carrier board. No thread locker is needed here. Tighten it by hand until it's secure. Depending on when your Rome shipped, your RID antenna may differ in length from the one shown in this video. At this point, you've completed the Rome frame and build accessory package assembly. Nice work. Your system is now ready for programming. Do not install or power the system with propellers until instructed during programming. Continue to Part 3 for programming and Part 4 for propeller installation when prompted.